You don't wake up tired because you didn't sleep enough. You wake up tired because your mind never truly rested. Before your feet touch the floor, your hand reaches for your phone. Not because you need it, but because your brain has been trained to crave it. That small glowing screen beside your bed, it's not just stealing your time, it's quietly reshaping how your brain works. And most people won't realize it until they can't focus, can't sit still, can't think deeply, and call it normal. Smartphones didn't enter our lives as enemies. They came as tools, helpful, powerful, convenient. But somewhere along the way, the tool became the trainer, and the trainer started conditioning your brain to avoid boredom, discomfort, silence, and effort. This video isn't about demonizing technology. It's about exposing a truth most people feel, but don't know how to explain. Your phone isn't neutral. It's shaping how you think, decide, feel, and focus every single day. Think about the last time you tried to focus deeply. No music, no background noise, just you and one task. How long did it last before you felt restless? Before your mind wandered? Before you reached for your phone without even thinking? That urge isn't random. It's conditioning. Your phone trains your brain to seek stimulation instantly. It teaches your mind that boredom is dangerous, silence is uncomfortable, and effort should always be interrupted by pleasure. Over time, this rewires how you handle life. Decision-making becomes harder because your brain avoids discomfort. Emotional regulation weakens because you escape feelings instead of processing them. Attention collapses because your mind expects novelty every few seconds. You're not weak, your brain is being trained to be. Neuroscience shows that constant notifications hijack dopamine pathways, the same system responsible for motivation, learning, and focus. Every notification, like, message, or scroll releases a tiny hit of dopamine. Not enough to satisfy you, just enough to keep you hooked. This is why you check your phone without thinking. Why you open apps with no intention. Why you forget what you even picked it up for. Studies on attention spans show that frequent task switching reduces deep focus and weakens working memory. Your brain adapts by becoming better at scanning and worse at thinking. Social media intensifies this effect. Endless comparison reshapes self-worth. Curated perfection distorts reality. And constant exposure to outrage, validation, and noise keeps your nervous system in a low-grade state of stress. This isn't just about distraction. It's about mental resilience slowly eroding. The cost isn't just lost time, it's lost depth. You struggle to read without checking your phone. You struggle to sit with your thoughts. You struggle to push through hard moments. And over time, you stop trusting yourself to do difficult things. Your brain learns, if something feels hard, escape. If something feels boring, scroll. If something feels uncomfortable, distract. That's not productivity. That's avoidance wearing a digital disguise. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people avoid. The phone isn't the problem. The unconscious relationship with it is. Once you see how your attention is being pulled, fragmented, and trained, you can't unsee it. And awareness is the first moment of power. Because the brain is plastic, it adapts both ways. The same way it learned distraction, it can relearn focus. The same way it learned avoidance, it can relearn discipline. But only if you stop numbing every gap in your day. Strength returns when you let your brain be bored again, when silence isn't immediately filled, when discomfort isn't escaped. Focus grows when attention is respected, when notifications don't decide your priorities, when you choose depth over dopamine. This isn't about deleting your phone, it's about reclaiming authority over your mind. Your brain was built to solve problems, create meaning, and endure effort, not to scroll endlessly and react to noise. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time you felt fully present, fully focused, fully in control of your attention? Your phone didn't steal that from you overnight. It trained your brain, slowly, quietly, consistently. And the same consistency can rebuild it. Today, don't fight your phone. Just notice it. Notice when you reach for it. Notice why. Notice what you're escaping. If this hits something real in you, comment, "I'm taking my focus back," and subscribe. because this channel is about rebuilding mental strength in a world designed to weaken it.